Hey folks, welcome back. It's always great to see you here, ready to learn and explore the latest in automotive trends. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just looking for your next perfect ride, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into something crucial, choosing the best cars for seniors in 2025. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've done the research for you. These days, it's not just about horsepower or flashy designs. For seniors, comfort, safety, and ease of use are the real priorities. Imagine sliding into a seat that supports your back, with controls that are easy to reach and understand. Modern vehicles are loaded with advanced technology. Think automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and even adaptive cruise control. These features aren't just fancy add-ons, they're designed to make every drive safer and more enjoyable. After careful consideration, we've handpicked 6 vehicles that truly stand out for their comfort, safety, and user-friendliness. Each one offers something unique, whether it's a spacious interior, intuitive controls, or top-notch safety ratings. These cars are designed to work with you, not against you. They adapt to your needs, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable, whether you're running errands or heading out on a road trip. Buckle up as we explore options that prove you don't have to sacrifice style for comfort and security. Today's cars offer elegant designs alongside practical features so you can feel proud and confident behind the wheel. We'll take a close look at what makes each car a great choice, from the driver's seat to trunk space. Whether you need easy entry and exit, lots of cargo room, or just a smooth ride, we've got you covered. If you appreciate practical engineering and thoughtful design, you're definitely in the right place. We'll highlight features that make a real difference in everyday driving. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our upcoming reviews, tips, and in-depth guides. There's always something new rolling into the garage here at Vehicle every time. Stick around as we help you find the perfect car to match your lifestyle and needs.
Let's start with a true legend in the world of automobiles, the Toyota Camry. For decades, the Camry has been a symbol of reliability and practicality, earning the trust of millions of drivers around the globe. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking for a dependable upgrade, the Camry is a name that consistently rises to the top of the list. It's the automotive equivalent of a perfectly tailored suit, timeless, reliable, and always appropriate. The Camry's classic design appeals to drivers of all ages, but it's especially popular among those who value comfort, safety, and peace of mind. Its reputation for longevity means you can count on it for years to come. Buying a Camry means investing in peace of mind. It's a car that starts every morning without fuss, ready to take you wherever you need to go. Plus, its impressive fuel efficiency ensures you won't be making too many stops at the gas station, helping you save money over time. The Camry's wide door openings and ideal seat height make getting in and out incredibly easy, especially for seniors or anyone with mobility concerns. No awkward bending or struggling, just a smooth, comfortable entry and exit every time. Step inside and you'll find a cabin designed with real people in mind. The seats are supportive for long drives, and the controls are laid out intuitively, so you're never fumbling to adjust the temperature or find a button. Everything is within easy reach, making every journey more enjoyable. Safety is a top priority in the Camry. Every model comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced features like pre-collision detection, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies work quietly in the background, giving you extra confidence on every drive. On the road, the Camry glides effortlessly over bumps and rough patches, delivering a ride that's both quiet and composed. You and your passengers can relax, knowing you're in a car that's built for comfort and stability. Whether you're running errands around town or heading out on a long road trip, the Camry is a comfortable cruiser that prioritizes a serene, stress-free journey. Its smooth handling and quiet cabin make every mile more pleasant. In the end, the Toyota Camry stands out as a smart, sensible choice that truly delivers on its promises. It's a car you can be proud to own. Dependable, comfortable, and always ready for the road ahead.
Next, the Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that offers comfort and confidence. You sit higher for a commanding view, enhancing awareness. Getting in and out is easy with a perfect seat height. The cabin is open and airy with excellent visibility and logical controls. The seats are comfortable and the cargo area is enormous. The CR-V offers a smooth ride and light steering, making it easy to maneuver. Honda Sensing Suite provides top-notch safety features. The CR-V combines easy driving with practicality, making it a top-tier choice.
Now, the Subaru Outback, a vehicle with a cult following. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive offers confidence in any weather. The Outback excels in visibility with thin A-pillars and large windows. Inside, it's about rugged comfort with plush seats and a logical layout. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology is top-notch, providing adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking. The Outback's ride quality is exceptional, soaking up rough pavement with ease. It's a practical, go-anywhere machine offering incredible peace of mind.
Let's talk about the Hyundai Sonata, a game-changer in its class. The ride quality is exceptionally smooth, creating a serene environment. Hyundai's tech integration is impressive, with intuitive infotainment and clever features like the blind spot view monitor. The interior is modern and upscale, with comfortable seats and ample space. Hyundai offers a 10-year powertrain warranty, providing long-term security. The Sonata's SmartSense suite includes features like forward collision avoidance assist. It's a sophisticated choice offering luxury, technology, and a smooth ride.
Now the Ford Escape, a well-rounded compact SUV. The interior is spacious with clever features like a sliding rear seat for flexibility. Getting in and out is easy with a comfortable driving position. Ford's Sync infotainment system is user-friendly with excellent voice command functionality. The Escape delivers a smooth, quiet ride, perfect for daily errands. Ford Copilot 360 offers a suite of safety features, earning top safety ratings. The Escape is a practical, comfortable, and safe SUV.
Finally, the Kia Soul, a car with a unique design. Its boxy shape offers massive door openings and chair-height seats for easy access. The interior feels spacious with excellent visibility and intuitive controls. The Soul offers great value with a 10-year powertrain warranty. Kia's DriveWise suite includes safety features like forward collision avoidance assist. The Soul is perfect for those who value ease of access, visibility, and unbeatable value.
And there you have it, 6 fantastic vehicles for 2025, each one carefully selected with comfort, safety, and ease of use in mind. As we look ahead, it's clear that the automotive world is evolving rapidly, and these cars are leading the way for seniors who want to enjoy every journey with peace of mind. From the legendary reliability and smooth ride of the Toyota Camry, which continues to set the standard for dependable transportation year after year, to the easy access and unique style of the Kia Soul, making it a favorite for those who value both practicality and personality, there's truly an option for everyone, no matter your preferences or lifestyle. Whether you prioritize advanced technology, spacious interiors, or simple controls, today's market has something to offer. Modern cars are safer and more comfortable than ever before, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking now widely available. These innovations help make every drive smoother and more secure, especially for seniors who value peace of mind. Choosing a new car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about maintaining your independence, staying connected with loved ones, and enjoying the freedom of the open road. Today's vehicles offer intuitive infotainment systems, voice controls, and smartphone integration, making it easier than ever to stay in touch and entertained. We hope this list gives you a solid starting point for your research. Take your time, explore your options, and don't hesitate to involve family or friends in the decision-making process. Test drives and online reviews can also help you find the perfect fit. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite car for seniors? Share your experiences, tips, or questions in the comments below. Your feedback helps others in the community make informed choices. Thank you for joining us at Vehicle Every Time. We're dedicated to helping you navigate the world of cars with confidence and ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content tailored to your needs. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates and reviews. Until next time, drive safe, enjoy every mile, and remember, adventure is always just around the corner. Have fun out there.